Okay, so Biscuit's come back. Basil was around, but a car came and he went running off. You alright, my girl? Hello, who's that? Is that Basil Cookie coming over? Can't quite see. So it looks like Basil. Baz? Baz, come on, off the road, mate. So let me just grab my plate of food for them. Oh, sorry, I'm not very steady with my hands. Come on. You coming? Come on. There's an ambulance at the end of the road. I think it's reversing, hence the noises. Are you two coming or not? Oh, hello. ChipChip's here as well. We've got Chip, Basil and Biscuit having a little mother's meeting. You coming? ChipChip, Biscuit, Baz. Come on. Come on then, ChipChip. Basil's coming as well. Come on then. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, my babes. Here we are. Chip, you have to come a little bit closer, my darling. Throwing skills are not that brilliant. There she goes, one piece, off she goes with it. Right, are you coming, Baz? Just having a bit of a scratch. Biscuit's just sat over there. Come on then, ChipChip. Good girl. Oops. Sorry, that's rolled right off, hasn't it? Yeah? Did it roll right over there? Sorry, my darling. Here we go. Come on then. Yeah, it's Baz. Thought it was. Hey, Baz. Good boy. Come on then, my baby girl and baby boy. It's lovely to see you both. Just lucky you came because my camera doesn't seem to be working again, but I'm fiddling with it, trying to get it sorted. Yeah. Here, Chip. Chip, Chip. Chip. I'm not throwing it until you look, because if not you seem to miss it. Chip. Oh, there's a car. Biscuit, move.